Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to change double click speed on your Pulsar V4 Xlite mouse. To do that, we have two options. We have two ways to do that. So the first way is to open the control panel on our Windows. Here, find mouse, and click change mouse settings. And here we have buttons. Find here double click speed, and you can just double click speed right here. For example, by clicking fast, when I click by choosing fast, when I click this PC, for example. Slow, as you can see, it do nothing, but when I click in fast, so it's opening this PC window. In case when I use slow mode, even when I click with I don't know, several seconds, maybe not several seconds, but a half the second latency, so as you can see, it's opening it. But we have different way to do that by using Pulsar application. So just find Pulsar app. Here find your mouse. Choose performance on the left tab, and here you will see double click speed, and you can adjust it right here. And this is the same action you can find in control panel. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Leave me a like and a comment below. Bye.